What's good, y'all? Welcome to Code Switch Patrol. My name is Taryn. I'm a retired peace officer out of South Los Angeles. I'm here to help close the gap of misunderstanding between law enforcement and the communities they serve. I'm not here to fearmonger, go viral for yelling, or give legal lectures. I'm here to give real advice, provide smart reactions, and sprinkle in a little bit of common sense. And this is coming from someone that's worn the badge and lived the life. I worked in South LA for years and have done all kinds of things in my career, from patrolling to writing tickets to going to community meetings to being on task force and even protective details. I became a police officer because I wanted a career where I could feel that self-satisfaction of knowing I directly impacted someone's life in a positive way. As someone who has had both positive and negative experiences with law enforcement, I felt that by being a police officer, I could help change that narrative or the perception that some people have negatively around law enforcement. Unfortunately, my career was cut short. I got injured on the job, and even after months of rehab and months of physical therapy, it was determined that I couldn't physically get back to a level to where I could safely perform my job as a peace officer. It sucked, but on the bright side, I ended up with this awesome service dog, Tuco. So I retired early, but I'm not done serving. This time I plan on making a difference by educating. Gotcha. Karate. On Code Switch Patrol, I break down body cam clips, explain use of force, and give advice to everyday people on how to navigate some of these situations safely. Some of it's serious, some of it's gonna be funny, but it's all real. No cop PR. We will be having a different kind of conversation here. This channel will be about explanations, not justifications. So if you like real conversations, smart reactions, and advice that actually makes sense, feel free to subscribe and follow along. And here's your warning. This channel may contain logic. Viewer discretion is advised.